like black color you can see on the desk, and the white color and the green color is PPR pipe and the fittings. And this is for the HDP and PPR pipe. Yeah. First, I will introduce our 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 company name, Shanghai REHOME Enterprise Group Co. Limited, and is a leading manufacturer for the plastic pipe and fittings since foundation in 2002. Yeah, 2002, and this year is about 20 years we are developed, and is a modern energy enterprise. Yes, we have research, development, production, sales, and after sales service of the PPR, PVC, HDP pipe and fittings. Yeah, so we have many departments. Yeah, and we have responsible for our products for the quality. Yeah, so we are ship the goods before we are test the products if it qualified for our customer for the requirement. Yeah, and the factory we are covers for 80,000 square meter with more than 500 employees, and we are annual manufacturing capacity of the plastic pipe reaches 80,000 tons, and annual sales reach 60 million of the US dollars. We have a strong professional technical team, and equipped with the most advanced competitor control pipe, yes, production line, and the fittings we are used for the injection modeling machinery. Yeah, and we are also the REHOME trademark. Yeah, you can see the REHOME. You can see the REHOME brand is REHOME trademark on our fittings and pipes. Have been awarded the title of the Shanghai top 10 brand. Yeah, thank you. And we have obtained the management systems such as ISO 9001 for quality, and ISO 14001 for environmental, and OHSAS 1801 for the occupational health and safety. Yeah, and these three certificates I think is very important for our production and our quality. Yeah, and for our human health is also important. So also where our products have passed the SGS and the CE certificates with our also how this is for our certificate like SECC certificate. SGS is a test report. Yeah, for the third party company, test company to give us for our products like PPR and HDP. Yeah. And our PPR, HDP pipe and the fittings selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Yeah, we also have many distributor and sellers. Yeah, And also we have widely exported for the oceanary countries like Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Asia countries such as Thailand, Philippines, and Sri Lanka, and Malaysia, and Singapore, and African countries such as Kenya, and Togo, and Latin American countries such as Chile, and Brazil, and Peru. Yeah, and also we have always have been committed to finding the best solutions for our water supply and drainage for all our customers. Always paying close attention to products and markets, and providing a complete solution for the manager system for many well-known brand engineering cases in the world to meet the needs of different consumer groups. Yeah, our have many projects. I will tell you after um, introduce for our products. Yeah, our experiment team will sincerely provide quality products and services to customers of the world. Yeah. Yes. Just I'll have introduced our company briefly, and now we are talking for our history of our company. Yeah. We are established in 2002, just I have told, and we are putting the PPR into the PPR products in 2002, and 2003 we are acquired the Shanghai Type 3 PPR pipe and fittings engineer license. Yeah. And also we are it for the first time for the to export to international markets, Malaysia, Indonesia, and other in 2003. Yeah. And the next year, we are also updating the green building material certificate of the PPR products line. Yes, and PPR into the products. Yeah. And also next year, we are also the independently researched and developed PPR to the anti-battery pipe. Yeah, anti-battery pipe is very I think it's very better is better than our normal PPR pipe. Yeah. In 2005, we are passed the ISO 901 certificate. Yeah. And in 2007, we are passed the ISO 1401 certificate, and our P pipe and fittings also put into our factory, and also are launched in the market. And in 2014, we are developed the new products for PVC, UPVC, yeah, for American standard and Australian standard, yeah. And we are also the Russia group of the office we are established, and we are successfully completed the first phase of the supply of the Disneyland project in Shanghai in 2016. Yeah. And we are organized the new sales team for in 2018. Yeah. So for now, we are have many developed many international market like South American and Southeast Asia and other like New Zealand, Australia, and the new and other countries. Yeah. So just I have talking for the our company and our company history. Yeah. Yeah. You can see we are talking for our talking. Yes, you can see for our Shanghai REHOME. This is our factory gate. Welcome to our new customer to view our live show. Yeah. You can see this is on the screen. You can see this is our REHOME, and this is our factory. Yeah. Yeah. A factory. Yeah. And this is our gate of the factory, and this is our uh, Chinese name of the, and also we have an address, yes, in Shanghai Fengxuan district. Yes, this is for our PPR production line workshop, and this is for our HDP workshop, HDP pipe and fittings workshop. And this is for our HDP stock of the HDP, yes, and the some of the stock for the will be shipped to the our China our local market products to ship, are ready to ship. And this is our office. This is our office. Yeah, factory office of the factory, and this is our home and our Chinese name. And this is our employees for the home, and we are we are family, and return home in your life is our meaning of the home brand. Yes, I think it's very many our colleague and our workers. Yeah, and you can see this is our local market department of the sales. And this you can see this is our PPR workshop. You can see we have 8 PPR pipe line. Yeah. And this is our PPR material. You can see this we have many. You can see the import from the Dubai and other China local brands. And you can see this is a mixture of the uh, color and with our material, yeah, PPR material, and yes, and we have just now you can see for the screen you can see we are melt the mixture of the PPR material and the color annual to put out the pipe. Yeah, you can see the white color here. The pipe, and you can see we have many about 1 minute to cooling the PPR pipe because it's very hot for just to melt for the PPR mixture and the color anyway. You can see it's PPR white color, and you can see this is for the marking for it's our like our PPR material and the PPR pipe and our size and our thickness and our pressure rate and our other product other informations of production time and other you want to mark the pipe. Yes, just now you can see for the PPR fittings, you can see we have 22 machine of the model inject model machineries, and also this is for the for two automatic of the machinery for the they don't have many men or workers to cut the cut the fittings. Yes, for this you can see we need many like 12 for the models. Yes, we need to cut the cut the fittings. Yes, you can see this is for the mixture of the material and the new color new annual. Yeah. Right. And this is for the HTTP workshop. Also, like the PPR, they are also carried the many more than like PPR pipe. You can see for the 4 meter per piece, and the PPR HTTP you can roll the pipe for 100 meter per hour, and 200 meter per hour and 300 meter per hour, and other longer. Say you want to for the you can see just we are looking or watching viewing for this is PRT, yeah, PRT pipe. Also PRT line, and you can see for the PRT and the HTTP is the same machine to product, and also they need to marking the pipe. Yes, you can see just I have told the calling road. The PRT is about orange color, yeah. And before we are ship the goods to our customer, we need to after production we need to after it we are used to product to test test the quality and if it's not quality if it not qualified with our customer, we need to. But it rarely have for this. We are also our product is very one step one by one. I think there's no need to produce the good for our customer. Yes, we have many items to test our products. Yes, this is for our many samples of the our ships goods and many months. You can see every month, 3 months, March and April and May, and yes, it's very many samples to test. And you can see this is our stock of the pipe, like PVC. You can see the orange color is PVC for protection, protect the cables. Yeah, and the green color is for the water or drainage. And also for the HDP, you can see for the HDP, you can see for the blue strip is for the water supply, and the no blue strip is for the drainage. It's very clear. Yes, this is for the big size of the HDP pipe, and this is for the small size. We also have many stock for the about 6 meter per piece for the stock. If our customer need a small quantity, we can quote and send small quantity to you. Yes. And also this is for the stock of the warehouse of the second floor. Yeah. For the PPR fittings, it's very clear, and we are the box is very I think it's very good for the prevent the rain or other water. You can see this is the first floor. You can see for our warehouse for the PPR pipe of the stock of the PPR pipe. Yes, about the PPR stock, you can see this is for the 4 meter per piece, and we have many use the plastic bag to package the pipe. We have two plastic bag to prevent our PPR pipes for the damage or other human to damage for the surface of the PPR pipe. Yeah. And you can see this is our simple room. Yeah, simple room is very important. I think they are the reason why our customer choose our company. The certificate is certificate and other test reports are very good. I think it's very a reason why you are choose our company. Yeah, so we are also have for the RAS and other test report like STS, like other things like also have a CE certificate and ISO standard certificate. Yeah, and you can see these are our new products of the steel PPR pipe. Yeah, steel PPR pipe, and with our steel fitting. And our PPR is for the hot water system and cold water system. Yeah. Yeah, and you can see they can use it for our many things like toilet, like our kitchen, like our bathroom and bedroom and bathroom, and other things, other like this is our simple room how to use a PPR pipe with our fittings, how to connect. it's very, I think it's very clear to our customer to watch. Yeah, you can see this is a female thread elbow, and this is for the clamp, this is for the pipe, this is for the T. Yeah, and this is for the bridge, and this is for the double double unions female T. Yeah, and also have a valve. We have a valve to connect. Yes, you can see for this bathroom. Yeah, toilet, and also this is for our PVC pipe for the protect our wire. Yeah, wire. It's for the small size. Yes, you can see. And you can see this is for the yes, you can see this is for the drainage, drainage of the PVC pipe, and this is a PRT pipe. So our customer, if you are interested, you can walk into our factory and to see our simple room. Yeah, and you can see this is our PRT pipe. It's very beautiful. In different color we can do, and PPR pipe we can also do for you if what you need. Yeah. Okay, and yes, you can see this is for our all products for our PPR fittings, and you can see on our desk we are also have a part of our fittings. And welcome to our new customers. If you are interested, you can leave your message to our live show. Yeah, and now we are talking for the PPR fittings. I will tell the product's name one by one, and you can see this is for the PPR coupling, and this is for the PPR reducing T. Yeah, just we are talking for the how to connect the PPR pipe with the fittings. Use the socket fusion machine. Yeah, and you can see for the 45-degree elbow, and this is for the end cap, and 90-degree elbow, and the female threaded T, and this is for the male threaded T, and reducing coping, and male threaded elbow, and female threaded coping, and male threaded coping, and this is for the screw ends, and this is for the female thread elbow, and male thread elbow disc with the disc, and with the disc of the female. Yeah, this is for the male thread union, and the female thread union, and unequal elbow. Yeah, it's different size. Like this is for the 20 millimeter, and this is for the 25. Yeah, and this is for the PPR braided. Yeah, they have long and short. Yeah. And this is for the PPR union or plastic union. Yes, this is for the expansion pipe clamp and PPR flange adapter. This is for the PPR material. Yeah, this is also for the all plastic flange ring. Yeah, this is very. I think it's very important for you to know. This is for the plastic PPR, and this is for the stop valve. And this is for the reducing T, yeah. And this is for the double end valve, and this is a flat pipe clamp. And this is for the Q-type clamp. And this is for the female threaded T. And this is for the union ES with the copper. And this is for the double female threaded elbow, yeah. And this is for the quick connecting for the elbow, yeah. This is for the quick connecting coupling. This is for the cross ball valve, and this is for the stop valve with clamp handle. And this is for the male single and the valve. And this is for the female single and the valve. And this is the flat pipe clamp, and this is for the PPR repairing stick. And this is for the PPR stereo. This is for the welding machine and the PPR cutter. Yes, this is for the welding die, and this is for the welding die model. Yeah, this is for the repairing stick one. Also, this is for the melt pipe sticks, repairing stick, and this is for the user for the saddle model. Yeah, this is cutter. Cutter is cut the pipe. Yes, and you can see this is for the our PPR fittings, and you can see they are on the PPR material and series and TN25 the size, and the REHOME, this is for our REHOME brand here. Yes. And this is for the reducing. Yeah, reducing. The size is a PPR and 32 plus 20. And this is for the series, and this is for the REHOME. And also, yeah, and you can see this is for our all plastic fittings, and this is for our male thread elbow, yeah. And this is for the end cap. Yeah. And this is for the end cap, and this is for our stop valve. Yeah. This is for the female union. Yeah. This is for the female coupling. Yes, this is for the elbow, and this is for the T. Yeah. And this is for the green color. Yeah, and this is the white color. Yeah, white color. You can see also they are the same as PPR fittings. Yeah. This is for the our bow valve, and this is for the elbow, and this is stop valve. Yeah. Yeah, just we are talking for the PPR fittings, and the next we are talking for the HDP fittings. Yeah, and you can see for the HDP socket fusion machine, socket fusion fittings, you can see coupling and 45-degree elbow and 90-degree elbow, and this is for the reducing T, and this is for the equal T, and this is like the male T, and you can see this is for the reducing coupling and cap, and you can see for the flange ring and flange ring, and you can see for the this is for the male elbow and the female elbow and the male union, and the female T and the flange adapter and the female adapter and stop valve and female union and the male adapter. Yeah, also for this is for the socket fusion fittings. This is for the butt fusion fittings. You can see this is for the reducing couplings. This is for the 90-degree elbow and reducing T, and 45-degree elbow and T, and cap and flange adapter and cross and forward flange ring. Yeah. Also, the ring, flange ring is for steel or of the HDP. Yeah, is for the steel, carbon steel material. No HDP plastic steel. Yeah. And you can see for the next is our electrical fusion fittings like cap, like 90-degree elbow, and then the equal T and the reducing T and the reducing coupling and coupling and the 45-degree elbow. Yeah. And also, just we are talking for the injection machinery for the fittings. But if you are needed for this, and you can see if you are very strange size like 280 and 250, or you need a PN 20 pressure rate. You can see for the reducing cross and 45 laterality and 60-degree laterality, and you can see for this is very wide laterality, yeah, 90-degree, yeah. And you can see this is for the reducing coupling. Reducing coupling also we use for the two reducing, and all you use a pipe, you use a reducing. Yeah, and you can see this is for the three pipe and two cuts, and you can see melts with one pipe, two pipe, yeah, equal T, yeah. And you can see for this 90-degree elbow for three segments and 55-degree for the segments, yeah, for the two segments, and 22.5-degree elbow and 11.25-degree elbow. Yeah. the degree is different, and very strange. And you can see for the equal cross, and you can see for this 4 segments for the this is for the big size like 35 350 55, and you can see for the 45-degree elbow, and you can see for the reducing T. You can see two. For one is equal T with reducing melt the reducing. Also, we use for the pipe with fittings with a pipe. Yes, just this for the size is inner diameter we call it, and you can see this is for the butt fusion fittings. We are used for the outside diameter of the we call the size, and the socket fusion we also call the for the inner diameter. And you can see this is for the this is for the butt fusion fittings. Also, we are called the outside diameter. Yes. And you can see next part is our PP fittings. Yeah, PP fittings is very important. And they are very easy to connect the pipe and the fittings. Just you can see for the coupling, female elbow and reducing coupling, and female T and 90-degree elbow, and equal T and male T and cap and male adapter and male elbow, male reducing T and female adapter. Yeah, and it's very important. It's a plant saddle. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, so you can see we are used for our socket fusion fittings for the fittings. You can see. You can see this is for the P material and the size. Yeah. Yes, you can see for the marking for the SDR11 and P. Yeah, P. And you can see this is for the size and the SDR11 here. The marking. And also this is for the SDR11 and T. Yeah, T. You can see for the T. Yeah, just we are talking for the fittings. And this is for the PP fittings. PP fittings. The light blue color and dark blue color here. And this is for the male T, and this is for the coupling. And the pressure is different for this is PS16. Yes, just we are talking for of the fittings. This is our electrical fusion fittings. So if our customer needed a good quality, you can see the different net weights of the fittings are important, I think, and some computer will lower price because they are use the lights, the weights without than our company. And you can see this is for the end cap for the 20. Yes, the net weight is 7.4 gram. Yeah. And you can see next is 25 and cap. The net weight is our 45 elbow. Yes, you can see 22.9 gram. Yeah. And the next is our elbow is 18.5 gram. Yeah. And the next we are talking for the female thread with brass female coupling. Yeah. The net weight is 63.5. Yeah. And the next is our 31.2. Yeah. And the next is our 205.9. Yeah, this is for the wall. And the next is 22.8. This is for the reducing. Yeah. Next we are test the P fittings. Yeah. P fittings. Yes, you can see this is for the reducing. You can see this is 11.4. Yeah, 11.4. And the next is 45-degree elbow. Yeah, for the 25. Yeah, you can see this is for the 40. 24.5 gram. And the next is our male adapter. Yeah, male adapter. It's heavy and 74.6 gram. Yeah. 70.4. And the next is our unequal T. Yeah, for the size is 32 plus 25. Yeah, you can see is 36.6 gram. 0.0. Yeah. Uh, uh, 86.8 gram. Yeah, it's very heavy. And the next is our male uh, male union. Yeah, this is for the 72.4 gram. Yeah. And we are testing the PP fittings. You can see this is about 62.3 gram. Yeah, yeah. The coupling. Yeah, the coupling is 20. Yeah, next is our 20 male T for the 20. Yeah. The net weight is 71.2 gram. Yeah. Next, this is for the male adapter. Male adapter is 40 gram. Yeah. Next, we are test the electrical fusion for the elbow is 50 millimeter. Yes, the net weight is 180 gram. Yes, and the next is our 20 coupling electrical electrical fusion fittings 42.7 gram. Yeah. And you can see the marking of the PPR pipe. You can see the PPR material and the series and the DN25 and 4.2 millimeter is our size and thickness. Yeah. And you can see the DIN 8077 is our Germany Germany standard. Yeah, you can see the REHOME PPR pipe and the series and the PN 20. Take a look. You can see this is for the hot water supply, and you can see this is very clear. And for the red strip is the meaning of the hot water supply. Home PPR pipe and the series 2.5 and PN 20 and 25 point plus 4.2 millimeter and DIN 8077 and 8078. Yes, also we can also make marking for the ISO standard. Yeah, if our customer need it. This is for the mailing for the 45-degree elbow with our PPR pipe. You can see this is for the 25% degree. Is how to you can start the experiment for the fitting pipe and fittings connect melting. Yeah. So I'm looking for the REHOME advantages like our REHOME brand reputation, and we are also use the 1% raw material and use a South Korea material and Dubai material, and also we have a 2 years quality guarantee and 70 years life warranty. Yeah, and also we have many professional manufacturing experience for the 20 years focus on the PPR, GDP pipe and fittings. And also we have many international certificates on the products and the management for CE and ISO and SGS and RAS. Yeah. And also we have outstanding sales and service team. And also we have free samples available when the buyers afford the cost. when the afford the express fee cost, it can be reduced from the first order. Yeah, first order you are ordering to us. And also we have a warehouse capacity and field experience and the marketing and sales channel. And also we have many corporate value of the REHOME. We can also training and meeting with our customer, and also we have further discuss of the REHOME. Yeah. And for the white color, we are also using for the local markets. And the green color, I think, is for the international markets. And for the PPR, just we are talking for the PPR. The HDP, I think, is for the normal color is black, and also our customer needed for the blue color for the Sri Lanka, yeah. And other special countries use for the fittings. We can also do it for you. Just for the color of the international and the local, and also for the how to distinguish for the pipe is for PPR for the what color for the hot water or cold water. For the you can see for the red strip, you can see for the hot water supply, and color. The white color, I think, the white color is for the cold water supply. Yes, and also for the supply. And for the HDPE strip, I think blue is for the cold water, only for the cold water. And no no blue strip on the HDPE pipe. Only for the black color. They are used for the drainage supply. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Today we are talking for our with our customer. We are talking for our company name and our company, how to establish to the history of our company. Yeah, and also we are talking for the PPR pipe and HDP pipe and PPR fittings and HDP fittings like the electrical fusion fittings, yeah, and socket fusion fittings and butt fusion fitting, no, and we are for the PP fittings. So we are talking more knowledge of this two part of this material. So if you have any interest in our products, you can leave your message and your email, your WhatsApp number, or other WeChat, or other Skype, or your phone number. You can look our www.rehomepipe.com. You can view our company website, yeah, and contact us. Also can contact us. So today we are talking for ended of this live show. So next week, only this time, we have our colleague to introduce our products to you if you have any questions. Okay, see you. This is George from REHOME Pipe.
你下次还会找那个你一个人，我感觉你要上气不接下气，死了一样。
我刚开始不是很猛吗？
我的天哪！你可真看得起你自己。
很累的好吗？
所以我让你找一个人当呀，Sara不就可以吗？
我找 Sara，我还不是要提前，还是得说1个小时。
没有 ，Sara 很能说的，他根本就不需要你。
你确定 ？Sara 不行，还是 Sandy 吧。
人家 Sara 比你厉害，好不好？
比我厉害，我是不想说。